I mean, I shouldn't say welcome back. I should say welcome, cause this is my new channel. If you're sorry, if you're a subscriber from Amigo Brothers, why don't you go subscribe again? Cause it's gonna be the same thing. But some reason on Amigo Brothers we got banned, so that channel's gone. So me and Amigo made our own separate channels. And yeah, that's what's going on. But in this video, this is my first video on this channel, the duck. Me and Amigo are gonna be building a boat and build a boat. Wait, can you guys just wait? This noise is really annoying. See, Amigo, say hi. Hey, Amigo hasn't done a video yet, but when he does do videos on his channel, I will link his channel in the description. But let's go get into this video. Let's get into this video. And also, guys, I just like to say one thing. I will be getting my face cam, but I'm just not going to do it in this video because I haven't worked it out just yet. But yeah. Amigo, what should we start off? Yeah, we're going to do a whole new boat. So, guys, if you guys want to... This is going to be probably like a little episode building a boat. We're going to be building this a good boat. And, yeah, a cool boat. This is probably going to be like a little series. But if you guys want to keep it going, show the support. So, let's start. So, let's start off with the base of the boat. Amigo, get out your metal blocks.
I'll fill it in.
Yeah, you fill it in. I'll do like the frame. Okay, we're just going to fill this in. Tick tock, tick tock. Bada bing, bada boop. The frame is done. So we're probably going to do multiple layers for this because this boat needs to be indestructible. So where should we build the second layer? I think our second layer needs to be made out of a brick that have a lot. Maybe this brick? This brick looks pretty strong. Amigo, you think this is a good brick material to use for our next level? Like a next layer? Okay. So I need you to also build the walls too, amigo. But I'm thinking we should add some windows. We add some windows to our boat. Like maybe we could put one window there. Yeah, that's where the door would be. The door will go right there. And then one, two. Okay, amigo, do you have any windows? Okay, you see the wall on this side? I want you to copy that on the other side, okay? Where's my other metal? Where did all my, oh, there it is. I have so much metal. Okay, see this? I want you to fill this all in and stuff, okay? And I'll do the second layer. And if we have any extra metal, we could do that for our last layer or something. Bum, bum, bum. We need to leave some space here so we can look out the window. Hopefully we can fill this in, because I want this boat to actually look nice. But you know this middle layer inside here, this is not going to be our outside layer, so it will be fine if it's not like all the same brick. But the outside layer, I kind of want it to be all the same brick. Leave space for the door. Oh, the door's a little crooked. Is that okay? Wait, this doesn't look right. Can you get rid of that door? It's just bugging me some reason. So if we... It looks better there. Say, okay, I know what to do for this. So where's the metal? So we get our metal. Wait, that's too small. Oh, I think I know what we did wrong. Okay, is that a big enough amount of space for a door? It's fine if there's a little gap, right? Between the door and the... Okay, this is going well. And I'd just like to say, flex on Amigo, because he doesn't have any chests, and I do. This is my first chest! But it's like the worst, but still. It's my first ever chest. And we need to put some king chairs in here. One king chair goes here, and one goes there. And I want to build some ladder sort of thing. So we can go. I want to make a second floor too. It's going to be a cool, like eventually build a second floor. I'm not saying in this episode we'll build a second floor, but when when we get when we're able to do it. Where's our metal? Oh yeah, you're still building the walls. I forgot. We're gonna need this to go that high. This is gonna be this I just need to get the metal so I don't mess this up. Metal goes there, yeah. Fill that in. Wait, what did we do wrong here? What did we do wrong? Okay, guys, we haven't been done much talking, but I'm just trying to get that in. You know what? I'm just gonna deal with it like this. Because I'm not wasting any more time on that. Okay, this door is really messed up. This is a really weird door. But you know what? Maybe in one video we can fix that. Migo, you messed up. You messed up. Hey, you messed up. You messed up. You messed up. You made a oopsie. Oh no, I got stuck. Amigo, you were making it go onto the metal, going onto the second layer. By the way, the metal's going on that you're using is going on the second layer. And we're not using metal for the second layer. Okay, guys, this is probably not that entertaining, but this is what we've done so far. I think we might end the video right here. But guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, this is my video. So guys, what? You guys, if you guys want to see this video, like guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notifications, like this video, and turn on those notifications because so when we upload our next episode for this video, you can see what we've done. We're gonna be working it on off cam, and then when it's ready to sail, that we're gonna start recording. So guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, goodbye.